This video will show you how to create a trailer and configure a FINCH 3 display. Head out to your trailer, power on the FINCH 3, open Titan install, and tap Scan QR to connect directly to your hardware. Work through the installation checklist, confirming the junction box, FINCH 3, and all transmitters are properly mounted and wired. There are 3 pages to scroll through under the hardware installation step. Select the number of transmitters you have installed. In this example, your trailer has 2 compartments, each with its own transmitter, so you'll select 2. Drag each TD100 tile into the correct order it is wired into your Titan junction box. You don't need to do this step for a single compartment tank. This image is showing the inside of the Titan junction box lid, where you write down the serial number and compartment number for each transmitter installed on your tank. Name your trailer or mark it as a bench FINCH for testing. Select whether you're connecting your FINCH 3 directly to an API socket for rack loading and whether you're connecting directly to an LCR.iQ register. Leave these unselected if you aren't using these features. Choose what you want your FINCH 3 display to show when the liquid is in the bottom deadband area. You can display too low or alternate between too low and the volume. Most customers simply select too low. Review the configuration summary, and when everything looks correct, tap Program. Your FINCH 3 is now configured. Next, you can add strapping tables to your transmitters and complete any additional configuration required for this unit. As you configure the unit in the field with Titan install, everything automatically syncs to the cloud, allowing your team to review company assets anytime in Titan Portal. Back in Titan Portal, you'll see your FINCH 3 listed with its firmware version, rack control status, transmitter assignments, and more, all backed up and ready for reporting. For additional support, visit help.titanlogix.com.